Okay, so here's my new Revolution toaster, just arrived. I got it all set up. So now I'm going to go into the settings, and I've already selected my date and time. You can also select whether you are going to be doing large bagels, and then you can adjust the sound. That's about good for me. You can also adjust the brightness of your screen. So all of that looks good. Now let's try to toast a piece of bread. So what I like about this toaster and what made me purchase it is I eat toast almost every single morning. So I love the fact that you can select your brownness of the toast. Number 4 looks pretty good, but if I wanted it a little lighter, that's what it looks like. If you're someone who likes your toast really dark, like that, then you can go with number 7. For me, I think number 4 would be good. Not only does it do toast, you can do frozen waffles, English muffins, bagels, pastry, toaster strudels, all of these items. So we're going to try the toast and see how that works. So just have a piece of bread, put it in, number 4, and then just start. That's pretty cool. So as you can see, it's heating to the desired brownness of my toast. And when it's almost done, it's going to do a countdown on the toaster to let me know when it's about ready. So it's still cooking. Right now it's browning. It's letting me know that it's browning. And there's the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Look at that. How does it compare? I think it's pretty good. Pretty close. Enjoy. So this is the Revolution toaster. Again, it has 2 slots, and you can do a lot of different pastries, breads with this. And I am happy with this purchase.